Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some astrology trivia. Which planet is associated with emotional insights? A. Veer, B. Jupiter, or C. Mars, or D. Moon? The correct answer is D. Moon. What sign is represented by twins? A. Scorpio or Leo, or C. Aries, or D. Gemini? The correct answer is D. Gemini. Which zodiac symbol represents courage? A. Scorpio, or B. Leo, or C. Aries, or Capricorn? The correct answer is B. Leo. What is the ruling planet of Scorpio? A. Jupiter, or B. Mars, or C. Pluto, or D. Neptune? The correct answer is C. Pluto. Which astrological house relates to partnerships? A. Fifth, or B. First, or C. Third, or D. Seventh? The correct answer is D. Seventh. What element is Sagittarius associated with? A. Air, or water, or C. Fire, or D. Earth? The correct answer is C. Fire. Which zodiac sign is known for discipline? Capricorn, Leo, or C. Taurus, or D. Sagittarius? The correct answer is A. Capricorn. What astrological sign is ruled by Venus? A. Capricorn, or B. Gemini, or C. Taurus, or D. Libra? The correct answer is C. Taurus. What does the sun primarily represent in astrology? A. Identity, or B. Emotions, or C. Relationships, or D. Ego? The correct answer is Digo. Which sign is often depicted as a crab? A. Cancer, or B. Taurus, or D. Aries? The correct answer is A. Cancer. What is the main element associated with Pisces? A. Fire, or B. Earth, or C. Air, or D. Water? The correct answer is D. Water. Which planet represents communication? A. Venus, or B. Jupiter, or C. Mars, or D. Mercury? The correct answer is D. Mercury. What is associated with the first house in astrology? A. Career, or B. Relationships, or C. Spirituality, or D. Self? The correct answer is D. Self. Which zodiac sign is depicted as scales? Gemini, or B. Taurus, or C. Cancer, or Libra? The correct answer is D. Libra. What planetary body rules Aquarius? A. Uranus, or B. Mars, or C. Saturn, or D. Venus? The correct answer is A. Uranus. What is the astrological symbol for Virgo? A. Scales, or B. Lion, or C. Maiden, or D. Virgin? The correct answer is D. Virgin. What does the 12th house in astrology relate to? A. Public image, or B. Dreams and visions, or C. Material possessions, or D. Subconscious? The correct answer is D. Subconscious. Which planet is known as the bringer of fortune? A. Venus, or B. Jupiter, or C. Mars, or D. Saturn? The correct answer is B. Jupiter. What characteristic is commonly associated with Sagittarius? A. Pessimism, or B. Optimism, or C. Indecisiveness, or D. Isolation? The correct answer is B. Optimism. What is the astrological term for one's date of birth? A. Horoscope type, or B. Birth chart, or C. Natal, or D. Zodiac sign? The correct answer is C. Natal. Which sign is known for being analytical? A. Sagittarius, or B. Virgo, or C. Aries, or D. Gemini? The correct answer is B. Virgo. What gemstone is associated with Taurus? A. Topaz, or B. Emerald, or C. Ruby, sapphire? The correct answer is B. Emerald. Which zodiac sign is known for independence? A. Capricorn, B. Leo, or C. Aquarius, or D. Aries? The correct answer is C. Aquarius. What does the term ascendant refer to in astrology? A. Planetary alignment, or B. Rising sign, or C. Moon phase, or D. Zodiac sign? The correct answer is B. Rising sign. Which planet governs ambition? A. Mars, or B. Jupiter, or C. Saturn, or D. Venus? The correct answer is C. Saturn. What is associated with the fifth house of astrology? A. Romance, or B. Travel, or C. Creativity, or D. Work? The correct answer is C. Creativity. Which planet is often called the red planet? A. Mars, or B. Jupiter, or C. Venus, or D. Saturn? The correct answer is A. Mars. Which zodiac sign is represented by the fish? Capricorn, or B. Sagittarius, or C. Aquarius, or D. Pisces? The correct answer is D. Pisces. What does the term horoscope refer to? A. Zodiac calendar, or B. Moon phase, or C. Astrological map, or D. Star chart? The correct answer is C. Astrological map. What element is linked with Capricorn? A. Fire, or B. Air, or C. Earth, or B. Water? The correct answer is C. Earth. Which planet symbolizes love and beauty? A. Mars, or B. Venus, or C. Saturn, or D. Jupiter? The correct answer is B. Venus. What planet is associated with personal identity? A. Sun, or B. Jupiter, or C. Mars, or D. Venus? The correct answer is A. Sun. Which zodiac sign corresponds with the element of fire? A. Capricorn, or B. Cancer, or C. Libra, or D. Aries? The correct answer is D. Aries. What does the ninth house represent in astrology? A. Adventure, or B. Family, or C. Wealth, or D. Philosophy? The correct answer is D. Philosophy. What astrological sign is characterized by depth? Pisces, or B. Gemini, or C. Scorpio, or D. Aries? The correct answer is C. Scorpio. Which element does Gemini work with? A. Fire, or air, or C. Water, or D. Earth? The correct answer is B. Air. Which house is related to health and daily routine? A. First, or B. Fourth, or C. Ninth, or D. Sixth? The correct answer is D. Sixth. What zodiac sign is known for being generous? A. Pisces, or B. Capricorn, or C. Sagittarius, or D. Leo? The correct answer is C. Sagittarius. What does a natal chart represent? A. Astrological blueprint, or B. Birth date significance, or C. Horoscope prediction, or D. Zodiac compatibility? The correct answer is A. Astrological blueprint. What does the third house in astrology signify? A. Wealth and status, or B. Travel and adventure, or C. Intimacy and secrets, or D. Communication? The correct answer is D, communication. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.